Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming updates and reducing variables. Make sure your Xbox system software is current and the controller is paired or on USB. Next, restart the modem, router, and console. Power off, wait 60 seconds, then power on the network gear first. If possible, connect an Ethernet cable or switch to the 5 GHz Wi-Fi band for less interference. These steps narrow down causes quickly so you can move to targeted diagnostics. Once initial checks are done, run the built-in Xbox network test to view NAT type, packet loss, and latency. Note exact numbers for troubleshooting. If the NAT is strict, set a static IP on the console or reserve the Xbox's MAC address in your router's DHCP table. This prevents IP changes. Then, either enable UPnP or manually forward ports 5380 and 3074 UDP. After applying configuration changes, reboot the router and Xbox and run the network test again to confirm improvements. Make sure NAT becomes open or moderate and packet loss drops. If problems persist, reset the Xbox network settings to factory defaults, then reapply only essential changes. Keep game saves backed up to cloud first. Finally, if issues remain, try a different network or a mobile hotspot to determine whether the ISP is at fault. This isolates your hardware from provider problems.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.